Uh, so we are a Streamway, and as you know, like multi-streaming, we are working on multi-streaming. So I will not. I think first share the screen.
Yeah.
Uh, So I hope everyone knows what multi-streaming is. So the problem is like, when you go live on YouTube and Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, lots of social media platform at the same time, the problem is like, you have to have the like n times of bandwidth, which is not available uh, everywhere. Okay. And like scheduling live stream on different platforms, requires you to go on different platforms dashboard, like YouTube's live dashboard, Facebook live dashboard, and like, going from there. And in some cases there might be requirement for multiple devices or people, human resources. So uh, why is multi-streaming required? like uh, when you want to kind of go live and maximize your audience, you want to get more views. You don't know like where your people are, like where your audience might be. You just want to test out, or you want your word to be spread out to as many people as possible. So then you go like multi-stream. So we have created this Streamway where you can kind of go live on multiple social media platforms from a single dashboard. And the next, which we have not like implemented, but what we are working on is like what the StreamYard is doing, or what the Restream is doing, like adding more overlays. So let's say if someone donates X amount of amount, then there will be an overlay with the person's like photo, and like that this person has donated this amount of money to kind of celebrate that. Or let's say if there's a we are talking something, and like there's a podcast going on, and so in the podcast scenario, like I'm the host, you guys are my guest. So there could be a way like the podcast will go live on my social handles as well as your social handles. And if I ask some questions, then those questions will be like with the overlay, they will be displayed there. So this is not that implemented.
Desirable feature.
That's a desirable feature. So the commercial use cases, the audience use cases are like the live shows. We belong from India, and here like there are religious organizations like churches. Here a lot of temples are there, so they do kind of live stream their religious programs. And there are politicians, they want their political rallies, campaigns. So why live stream? So if you take YouTube, Facebook, any platform, the live stream has the maximum exposure. So if you post something like just a normal post, that's not gonna get you maximum exposure. But the live content, like we have this facility to kind of you upload a video to our platform, and then that video will go live at a scheduled time. So you get like the algorithm automatically pumps your content. And the other use cases are like teaching and training institutes, virtual conferences and festivals, educational institutes, and even the government's departments. Uh,
Brands, creators, influencers,
Sorry,
leaders,
guys. Thanks.
yeah, yeah.
Shall we
many.
continue with the presentation, guys? Judges, can we let them some
Well,
time?
shall we see the demonstration?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, demonstration. Um, so this is the dashboard here, and you just have to first add the destinations, like YouTube channel, or like whatever the Facebook page or whatever you have. Uh, so we will like programmatically with the API we will connect. Okay, so as we have already connected, so I will not do that again. So this way, the Facebook or YouTube or whatever the destination that's get connected to this platform. And then you just have to simply set something like and media tag. Simply copy paste that. And just simply save, like you have to set title and description at once. And what it's doing is it's scheduling the live stream programmatically on on YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, and on this Facebook page. So it's done. And as you can see, this
Ready to go
title
live.
bar is like green, so we are ready to go live. So we have already put these stream keys
in our OBS.
So once we hit the live, okay. So as you can see, the broadcast is live, and now this broadcast is being live broadcasted to this YouTube channel
As well as-
and as well as this Facebook page. So we can check this out here. Refresh. So as you can see, this sorry. So this is live on Facebook, and here we go on YouTube and Media Hack. Sorry. So this is live. And when you want to end the broadcast, simply just hit end broadcast, and there's a confirmation to kind of avoid the
Sorry,
accident.
guys.
Yeah, it's just.
Thank you very much.
So the broadcast is over. So what we are doing here is like at the back
Thank you,
end
guys.
we are
We're done with time. I'm so sorry.
okay.
That was the final presentation of the day.